Doodle 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 doo doodle doodle doo doo doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. This is how we make it well, doo 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 doo. Now we roll the flour out, doo 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 doo. Now you put the filling in. Now you cut them apart. Doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. This is how we do it. Quick and easy bet. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Now it's almost time. Roll those croissants up. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. When you start, you roll them up, fold the ends down. Keeps the filling coming out. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle 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 doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle 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 doo. Doo doo. Easy, it's just 1, 2, 3. Roll them up, roll them up, roll them all up, tuck them in. Do 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 do. Now we're almost done. All the hard work's done. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. If a little bit of filling comes out, don't stress, don't stress. It'll be just real fun. Doodle doodle doo. Do 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 do. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle doodle doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Here I made sweet 16. For all the family. Doodle 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 doo doodle doo doo doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Doodle 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 doo 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 doo. Everybody's happy. Everybody loves them. Doodle 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 doo doodle doo doo doo. Now they're almost ready. Time to preheat the oven, 350 for 15 minutes. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle 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 doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle 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 doo doo doo. Doodle 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 doo. Doodle doodle doo. Now for the last two, we're almost ready to bake. Get that pan and grease it up. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle 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 doo. Doodle doo.
Now we bake them for 350 for 15
Doodle 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 doo. Doo doo. It's almost time to bake these up. Doodle doodle doo. Here they are, ready to go on a greased pan. Now we're going to spread some butter, sprinkle some brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon. This is what they look like when they come.